We found the best affordable ranch floor plan in the channel, and it's only 15 minutes away from downtown. So let's check it out. Hey, hello, hey, Benjamin.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing quite well. How about yourself?
Why are you so formal today?
I'm a formal guy. Hey, don't look there.
Okay.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Am I gonna hit something?
Wow, that's beautiful. Back up.
I want to see it.
Back up.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
Turn around.
Okay.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
That's beautiful.
Wow, it is gorgeous in here.
Yeah, look at this open floor concept. Really cozy.
And I'm just noticing the insane amount of windows. So much light in here. And you're right, I'm starting to feel relaxed just standing in here.
Yeah, so you do the rest, Ben.
I do the rest.
I'm gonna take myself a nap.
I feel like every time we film one of these, you're always trying to get away with slacking on the job.
I'm kidding.
But we got a house to tour.
We do. Very excited. So we got a chimney in this one. That's always...
Yeah, they got gas on that thing too, so this thing will run even if you have a power outage. And it gets cold in the winter, so having a gas fireplace is not only aesthetic, but it's kind of a must here in North Carolina.
It is. And they do have a dining area.
And I like that it's like out of the way.
It is super out of the way. It's not like next to the kitchen or next to the living room. You got your own little space here.
Yeah, sometimes you have to like walk through the dining room just to get to your living room. So this way it's a little more tucked away and a little more private. Without having to be like walled in and then it's not open concept, right?
And look, I'm standing here and I still got plenty of space back there. So
yeah, they got what, 6 chairs on here? I mean, if you extended it out, you could probably get a little bit more.
Yeah, so very good. It's a very good amount of space. And now let's take a look to this green porch right here.
Okay, well that's cute.
I mean,
this is their smallest floor plan if I remember correctly,
yes,
right?
It is.
So I know they have much larger screen-in porches on some of the other ones that we're going to be featuring here on the channel. But for 2, maybe 3 people, it's a good size.
Yeah, it's a good size. And you have yourself a little slab here to make your grilling.
Okay. I like when they don't have just the enclosed, they also have an outdoor option because you ain't getting a lot of sun in there. I know my wife loves to like sunbathe during the day, so like this would be great.
And check this out, Ben. Look at the size of this lot. And hey, this is a model home, so it's not like the lot that you'll probably get. But I mean, it's a decent size, honestly, more than a decent size lot.
And this one's on the corner, so it actually has this whole side lot. You could fence this thing in. You see the black cast iron they have over there. And there's a lot bigger lots out here too. Yeah, you're really far away. Look at you, get a little squeeze you.
I think there's good good length to play pickleball.
Yeah, hey, I've been playing a lot of pickleball lately. This would be a good place for it. But I'm also noticing, like, look at the trail that they've got going on back here. They've got trails throughout this whole community, and a bunch of other amenities that we'll talk about later in the video.
One other thing would be the privacy you get here. So, I mean, even though there's a lot of homes, a lot of construction, I mean, you still have this privacy, and we're just starting on spring. So this will be full of leaves, give you more privacy.
You might not even be able to see some of those homes back in there, and it's already such a gorgeous view. Imagine sitting out on your porch, having a cup of coffee, and you look right out and all you see is trees. Gorgeous. You wouldn't believe we're only 15 minutes away from downtown, would you?
Now it's time for Benno to take us in.
Okay, before I do, if you are making the move to the Raleigh area, we built a 2026 free Raleigh relocation guide. You can just go to RaleighNCguide.com and download that free. Our gift to you, it'll literally have everything you need to know about making a move here. Let's get back inside. Time to check out the kitchen. This is where you're going to be spending a lot of your time if you are, you know, chefing it up on the weekends. Me, not so much. But I do appreciate a good kitchen still.
This is you right here, Ben.
This is me.
This is all
good
Ben
old microwave. And when I'm microwaving some crazy spicy stuff, as I do.
Oh, that's great.
We got our vent out. But you're gonna notice a few things. I mean, we got nice countertops in here. We've got the sink mounted underneath them. We've got gas appliances in this community.
Always good.
And the thing about this builder we'll talk more about later in the video is they're very customizable. So you do have a lot of options with them versus some of your specs like your Lennar, your DR Horton, where you just walk into a house and it is what they chose. So what's nice is not everything you see in here is exactly how it has to come.
Okay, you can still make some choices.
Yes. For example, having that vent in the microwave or having a certain color of cabinetry, you get to choose some of these things. But I mean, all in all, not bad. Decent walk-in pantry.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Could actually
Good
walk
size.
into it, so that's a good test.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm just loving the amount of like drawers that they have.
Oh, this is great.
All this is drawers. And I mean, all in all, it's a pretty large kitchen, so you have a lot of storage in it, which is cool.
You like, this kitchen was meant for storage.
Yeah, even if the pantry is not massive, you have a lot to make up for it.
Yes.
Now remember, this is a ranch floor plan, right? So everything is gonna be first floor living. That is the huge benefit of this floor plan. And you know, Ricardo, you know, I think I speak for both of us when I say we don't find ranch floor plans very often.
Yeah. We don't.
No.
They're rare.
Builders aren't building them because they take up more land. Land is more valuable. But here you get up to quarter-acre lots and you still can find a ranch floor plan. And I mean, we have a growing retirement community, but also just, I don't want to do stairs every day if I don't have to.
That's how I feel every day, Benjamin.
That's how I feel. I mean, it is very convenient having everything downstairs. Now they do have some nice 2-story floor plans as well. So we filmed one of them. It's gonna be here on the channel. We will link it in the description and make sure you go check that out after this one if you need a lot more space.
All right, Ben, so I know you were curious when I walked in about what's going on over there.
Yeah,
Can you show us?
All right, let's do it.
All right.
And honestly, I didn't take the time to appreciate it, and I always got to kind of soak in the entrance because this is the first thing you're gonna see when you walk in the house. And what I'm seeing right now is it's wide, it's open. I can't touch both walls at the same time.
Benjamin.
Maybe if I was a little bit more flexible.
You need that flexibility, Ben.
The only thing I'd love to see is like, I mean, maybe like a built-in right here.
Okay.
But I did notice when I turn the corner here,
Oh, this is very...
it's not a built-in, but this would also be a good spot to put a
Oh.
built-in. This is just staging furniture.
Yeah.
But this is where you're gonna come in off of the 2-car garage. Little bit of like coat space in here. And this actually made me very happy.
Oh, I like this.
I know you're always complaining about the size of the
Yes.
laundry rooms. This is a good one because
good.
you can have a side-by-side, storage, the whole thing. And then this whole thing, this could be a sink. It could be more storage. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Not to mention, and we don't normally show the unfinished rooms in the house, but I did have to show you that in addition to easily accessing your HVAC and not having to go into the attic, you do also have some room for storage in here as well.
This is great.
So,
this is ideal.
I mean, not bad, right?
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Crossing the hallway here,
What's going on here?
we've got ourselves like a guest wing. So
I love
on the
it.
other end, we're about to go see the master bedroom. I'm very excited to show that. But this is going to be where anyone who's not head of household is going to stay, or your guests. So we've
Okay.
actually got not 1 but 2 bedrooms over here. Not massive sizes,
Not massive.
not massive, but again, this can be better for small kids.
Yeah.
Or most likely with these ranch floor plans, this might be more like guests who come over to stay. Right.
Good
Standard
size
closet. Yep.
Yeah, pretty decent size.
And then
I
there's
like it.
another bedroom about the same size, but this one, it does have 2 windows. It is facing the front.
This one is the
So-
front view one.
This is kind of nice. I would make this my office. So,
It's a nice office.
yep.
Got
So
some
I would
windows.
love to walk in, immediately have an office overlooking, you know, kind of the front, seeing all the nature, getting the natural light in my eyes. That's what I would do with this space. And what that also means is you have immediate access
Oh,
to
wow, that's good.
a full bath.
Full.
Full bath, little bit of window. Always good to have in case you need to make an emergency escape, right? And I mean, basic shower inserts. So nothing crazy in here. They do have options to do like a full tiled in shower kind of thing. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
But having the full bath right off of these
Super.
2 bedrooms.
Yeah, super convenient.
And not to mention, I mean, we're literally right by the entrance. So, you know, you're coming home, you're like, oh shoot, it's that time. You have like a straight shot into the bathroom. Very convenient. So I like that too. All right, do you want to show us the master?
I am ready for the master.
All right, give me that phone.
All right. I don't know what to expect because this will be a surprise for me.
Raise your expectations.
They're very high. Okay. I am loving it.
Was that the McDonald's jingle?
Mackle.
Wow. I mean, look at all the windows.
Yes. So if you like windows, if you like natural light, this is for you. Look at this.
Wow. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the forest right now.
I feel like I'm getting vitamin C all around my body. And aside from all the windows and all the light that makes it very special, I mean, it looks fairly big, this room.
Yeah, I mean, you got room for dressers. I think this is a queen size bed, but I'm thinking you could definitely get a king in here.
Yes, and they put a little sofa chair, little dresser right here. I mean, plenty of space.
Plenty of space. And I mean, obviously that's kind of an upgraded feature, but I like the lights, the recess. Honestly, you can't even tell the lights are on in here if I turn them off. You won't even notice anything because of how amazing the natural lighting is. Big fan of that.
That is correct. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the master bathroom, and I have one expectation.
What's that?
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Come on.
Before we go in there.
What?
I actually have something to show you.
What you gonna show me?
I noticed you walked right by that door.
Really?
Yeah, go ahead and open it.
I know what's behind this door. It's a closet. Oh.
Pretty good sized closet, right?
That's pretty awesome.
So here's what I'm thinking. That is either a second master closet or that could be a full pantry in addition to the one you already have.
Full pantry might be.
That's what you would do?
Good. That's
yeah, I like that.
In some cities, this will be considered a bedroom.
Not in this city, my friend.
Not in this city.
Not in this city. All right, let's see that bathroom.
All right, let's go to the bathroom. And what I am expecting is the throne room to be separate.
Let's hope for it.
Ah, yes. All right.
Nice double sink vanity. I'm liking that.
Now take a look at this shower, Benjamin.
Honestly,
beautiful.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. The light, the seat in case you get tired. We love a tiled-in shower.
Yeah, and that window makes it.
It does, yeah. They're doing really good with natural light here.
Yes. And we got a private throne room.
Now, we've seen floor plan here that didn't have one, and that was kind of one of the big negatives that we saw, so.
Yes.
Comment down below, do you think having a separate room for your throne is important, or do you not care if it's like out in the bathroom?
And about.
I would like to know.
All right. Now, take a look at the closet, walk-in closet.
Oh, shoot.
Pretty nice.
This is pretty nice, especially considering the square footage on this is around 1,800 or so.
Yes.
That's a pretty good walk-in closet.
And here you got his closet.
Oh, he gets the bottom rack.
And all's hers.
Oh, yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, I mean,
it is what it is. I happen to notice we also got a little closet here. Not so little.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, that's a massive closet.
It's one of the biggest ones I've seen, to be honest.
I'm cool with that. I'll load that thing up with towels and toiletries.
Yeah.
Great.
Honestly, I loved it. I mean, lived up to my expectations, even beyond my expectations.
Yeah, this is definitely one of the better range floor plans I've seen, and I would go as far as to say this is my favorite here in this community.
Yes.
So I would be really interested to know what the price is, the incentives, talk a little bit more about like the amenities that they have here.
Yeah. I mean, you're gonna be impressed on the amenities and on the incentives they have.
Then let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
All right. All right, so what is the HOA? What is it gonna cost me every month? And more importantly, what is it gonna give me?
All right, so I'll tell you the price at the end, but with this HOA, the amenities you get from dog parks, you get a fitness center that we don't see that often.
Really? No, we do not.
No, especially on the summertime, you need that. You get a clubhouse, you get a pool, you get gathering places on a community for all the people, so that's always important. But I mean, just that sells that.
That's a lot. Yeah. I know I saw trails going throughout the community. I think you mentioned pocket parks.
Pocket parks,
There's a lot going on in this community, and I've noticed it's very active. We're here on a random Monday, and there are people outside everywhere walking. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, it's growing, and there's new faces coming.
So how much is the HOA every month?
All right, surprisingly, the HOA price is $143.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's 2 gas tanks for some people.
Yeah, and I mean, they really start around maybe 50 on the very low end with no amenities, and they go quickly up to 100 plus once you add in a pool. So for them to have a gym, the pocket parks, the dog parks, that's actually pretty good for the price.
Pretty good. I mean, like you said, in other places, you're paying $150 or $200, and you get 2 old tennis courts. That's it.
Yeah, that is very, very true.
We are 25 minutes away from the airport.
Okay.
So if you use the airport regularly,
That's great.
Yeah, I mean, that's fantastic.
And we're already 15 minutes from downtown, so
Yeah.
anything and everything you can do in downtown, from parks to events to shopping and dining, dates, etc. 15 minutes is amazing.
15 minutes, amazing. And then you are 30 minutes away from the Research Triangle Park. So
Okay.
if you work there, 30 minutes.
Yeah, and I think most people moving in the area, there's at least a good chance that they're working at Research Triangle. So being within 30 minutes of that, so you can get access to the top employers like IBM, Lenovo, Cisco, eventually Google, like that's really important.
It is. So location, I mean, phenomenal.
And I mean, even beyond downtown, we're within minutes of, YMCAs and grocery stores and gas stations and all that kind of stuff. So you really do have everything at your feet, too.
And even on the way here, I mean, you got a Costco like 5-10 minutes away.
And that's really new, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a new Costco, and there's like a BJ. So if you don't like Costco and you're a BJ's,
Yep.
there's BJ's.
If you're not familiar with BJ's, they're very similar to Costco, like
it's sort of
wholesaler
the
type,
same.
right? Okay, so the area is great.
Area's great.
Right?
Yeah.
We have access to Wake County schools, which is super important. If you've done your homework, you got kids, Wake County schools, they're highly, highly ranked. Okay. What is the price on this house? What is the base price on this house?
Great question, Benjamin. You're gonna be amazed.
Really?
You will be amazed.
That is very confident. What is it?
Yeah. How much do you think it is?
I mean, we don't see ranches very often, quarter-acre lots. I mean, based on what we've seen so far, I'm thinking around 5, maybe higher.
Oh God, yeah, you're in for a surprise, man.
Okay.
425.
425.
425.
That's the base price.
Yeah, I'm not kidding. I double check, triple check. And you know what's most impressive?
What's that?
If you get that price with the incentive they have currently, it'll blow you away.
Yeah, we haven't even talked about incentives yet.
Yeah.
Let's look at the numbers as if they didn't exist, right? Incentives are always changing, and that is why you should always reach out at the number below. You can scan that QR code or click the link in the description so you can get the most updated information. We can help you negotiate a really good deal.
Okay.
But what is this house gonna cost me just with like today's interest rate of around 6.5%?
All right, so let's say purchase price, 425, right?
Okay.
Got a 6.5 interest rate,
Yep.
today's rate.
Yep.
You're putting 20% down, like normal.
Okay.
And all right, so the P&I, that is the principal and interest, would be around $2,100.
Okay.
Okay. All right, and then taxes is around $320 per month.
Okay.
And the insurance $125 per month. And if we factor all this with the HOA, you're looking at $2,750 per month.
Okay.
So I mean,
That's a little bit high.
it's high.
I will say it would be a little bit cheaper to rent this, but I know that is not the end of the story.
No.
So okay, what are the incentives I've got to know?
All right, so incentives. They currently have a 3.99. They're running that right now in a 7-year ARM.
Really?
Yes. So
you're telling me my interest rate is going to be 3.99 for 7 years straight?
Straight. Yes.
What is that going to save me per month?
Benjamin, let's run the numbers.
Okay,
I'll tell you.
Run the numbers.
So, if we do a 399,
Okay.
you will be doing a principal and interest of around $1,600.
Well, that's significantly lower than what
we
it
were
was
looking at
before.
$2,150.
Wow.
So right off the bat, you're
Okay.
Yeah.
So with that being the case, what is my new monthly payment with the 3.99?
so if we include the HOA,
Yeah.
your new monthly payment would be around $2,200.
2,200, and it was what, 2,750 below?
Yeah. So you're
Seriously?
I mean almost
That's
$500.
wild. Wow. And if you're not familiar with ARMs, they are adjustable rate mortgages. It sounds scary, but it's fixed for 7 years. You have 7 years to refinance, which is very likely, or sell the house if that, most people only own their house for about 6 to 7 years on average. So I personally would feel very comfortable with an ARM.
Yeah.
And the fact that literally over 7 years, you'd be saving, at basically $500 a month, you're saving $6,000 a year, which means you're saving tens of thousands of dollars over the course of 7 years. That's about $42,000 if I'm doing my math right. I might not be, but it's somewhere around that range.
You are. It was good math. It was good math.
That wasn't exactly my strong suit in school. But what our strong suit is helping you negotiate deals and finding the right home for you. So again, if you need help doing that, reach us at the number below. And if you want to learn more about other communities like this, then make sure you watch this video next, and we'll see you there.